500 net profit per day US dollars with Clickbank affiliate marketing using Google Ads. In this video, I'm going to show exactly, as you can see over here on my Clickbank screen, right, how you can make over $500 per day, which is over 15,000 US dollars per month with Clickbank affiliate marketing. Okay, so let's go straight into it. All right, but before I go into it, let me show you over here on my Instagram. Okay, you can find me later on my IG over here. If you have any questions, you can follow me, you can DM me and ask me any questions related to affiliate marketing, Google ads, YouTube ads, or even Facebook ads. All right, so let's go straight into it. Over here, right, the first thing I want to understand is the math. All right, so when it comes to Clickbank affiliate marketing and make it profit with affiliate marketing, the most important thing is the math. So for example, myself, other students making a lot of money on Clickbank, the most important thing is the niche that you're in. You can be in weight loss, dating, wealth, wellness, fitness niche, right, diet niche, diabetes, back pain, solar, so gambling, so many different niches, okay, where you can make a lot of money. Now the most important thing is the math. What do I mean by that? Let's have a look, okay? Why many people are afraid to spend money on Facebook ads or Google ads is because they don't know the math, how the strategy of affiliate marketing works in action, in practice. So let's say you have an offer in manifestation, law of attraction, self-help niche on a Clickbank, and let's say that the offer is paying on the front end, right, $50 US in net in affiliate commissions. So it means that on the first sale you get $50 in USD commission, okay, in the first minute the sale happens. And then you have one app upsell and you get paid for that upsell extra 97 US dollars. And then you have second upsell which pays extra 250 US dollars. So it means average order value is almost 400 US dollars. It means you can make 397 US dollars net profit from one person buying the whole funnel. Do you see? Ask yourself, imagine this, see yourself now. You spend on Facebook ads, or in this case Google PPC, Google pay-per-click ads, you spend 50 US dollars in one day. And from one person, only one customer, one client who bought everything, upsells as well, upsell take rate is huge, you made $397. It means you make $350, let's say $350 in a day profit. How much you spend on ads? 50 US dollars. How much you made back? $347 in the day. From one person. Do you see the math now? Lots of people, lots of beginners and newbies are afraid to spend money on ads because they think they're gonna lose money. They're gonna get their account shut down. And it's not your fault. I know it happened to me before. It happens a lot of people before who bought courses from these gurus on Clickbank because they're always teaching the wrong method. They are teaching you the outdated method that used to work last year or 3 years ago when Facebook algorithm and Pixel was great and everyone was making millions left and right because Pixel did the job for them. And now they're screwed. But this doesn't mean you cannot make money right now. As you can see over here, from spending 50 US dollars in a day, you can make $347 profit in a day from only one sale, one person. All right, let's go further. Now, what is missing? If you're watching this video, maybe you tried affiliate marketing before, maybe you buy courses, you lost money, and I understand it's not your fault, right? Because as you can see over here on my screen, becoming a great marketer is the hardest thing to do it alone. That's why many people are not doing it, right? Because if everyone can make a lot of money, they would do it by themselves, alone. But the ones that do it, right, they go on to get a coach, to get a mentor, they get someone who can help them one-on-one, hand-holding them over the Zoom call, show them exactly how things are done, right? And what you realize when you meet them is that they're not different than or more talented than you. We all have 2 hands, 1 brain, 2 eyes, 1 mouth, right? So ask yourself, why not making more money than someone else? Why? Right? How much would it add to your life if you could make extra $3,000 per week or $5,000 per month extra from your job that you're doing 9 to 5 right now? Right? Once you realize that, right, what you're actually truly capable of, then you can go on and fast forward your results with a mentor, with a coach, with someone who can help you along the way, right? So that is the missing puzzle in your life. Now, as you can see over here in our Facebook group, which is free, you can ask me to join. You see, one of the students made over $22,000 in 1 week on Clickbank, $16,000, $8,000. And keep in mind, this is their second language. English is not their primary language. Okay, so if you think, oh, I don't speak well English, I don't have enough money, I don't have enough time. No, if you have at least 30 minutes to 45 minutes a day, or every single day, every other day, 40 minutes per day, then you can do this. Okay, if your goal is, of course, I'm not promising you millions, I'm saying you can make $5,000 to $20,000 to $30,000 a month, sustainable passive income, stress-free income. Okay, not that you have to worry about your ad accounts getting shut down and watching numerous videos online. No, it's about taking action, practice, and getting real results. Okay, as you can see over here. Now, the next thing, it's all about the audience. Message to market match. Okay, about emotional states. Low emotional states, high emotional states audience. We use different language patterns in our copywriting, our ads, so we can tailor our message directly to the market we want to sell or promote. Okay, so it's all about buyer's intent. Now we put ads in front of the people with intent. It means you get sales. But if you only put curiosity image like other gurus are teaching you, of course you're gonna get a lot of clicks, but they will not buy. Why? Because there is no buyer's intent, right? So it means no sales. Now, as you watch this video, I know you want to get results, right? And if you already knew how to make money, you would already have done it. You would be watching this video right now, but you don't. And the reason you don't is because you tried all these courses in the past, all this BS stuff in the past, AI voices, I don't know, whatever the heck you tried. And now you know exactly that naturally you need someone who can help you personally, one-on-one, step-by-step to get the results. So if you're watching this video right now and you want to get results, you're really serious, you have minimum 1,000 to 5,000 US dollars to begin with and get really good results. I'm talking about $30,000 per month, $20,000 per month income with personal one-on-one support, then let me know. And you can install this method in 2024, going into 2025 to get really great results. Okay, so don't forget to leave a comment, like this video, subscribe. Okay, you can over here subscribe right now to my YouTube channel to get more helpful tips.